Good evening to all of you. This is Ritik in front of you from Bachelor of Business Administration first year. Today we are talk about the concept of encircling invalid data and do a practical in front of you. Before we start, I would like to thank respected Aryabhata sir for giving me the opportunity to present the presentation in front of all. Now let's get started. Here, try to understand better way. So we are going to have the data out here. So first of all, we understand the particular data that we call the book treasure incorporation. It has all the basic details of employees are present. So as a detail, what can you notice out here? In this particular worksheet, every employee has their employee ID, name, basic salary, darkness, HRA, convenience, tax income, taxable income, income tax, provident fund, and net income. These are the basic details are present of employee. So this type of data can be prepared by a regional office and it has been sent to the head office for the further processing. So, but as a manager, first we should cross check the data. In this particular worksheet, every employee has their own mistakes in the putting the data. So the salary, the amount of the salary goes negative. In the rare case, the salary can't goes to negative. In the worst case, salary becomes zero but can't goes to negative. So this type of errors comes in the lots of data. So we apply the concept of data validation. So first of all, we select the cell range where I apply the data validation concepts. So as you can see this in the screen, we select the cell range where I apply the data validation. So first of all, we select cell. So we can select it. We select it. Then we go to the data tab. Under data tab, data tool commands are present. Under data tool groups are present. Under data tool, data validation commands are present. When we click on the data validation, so first of all, data validation dialog box comes up. So under data validation dialog box, there are three tabs are present. First is setting, second is input message, and the second is error alert. So our requirement is setting. So we can go to the setting tab and we can see this allow options comes up. So we want to put the amount, it comes under the decimal. So we can select the decimal. Then under data tab, we select the greater than or equal to 0 because the salary become greater than 0, equal to 0, not become negative. So we can select it greater than or equal to. And then the minimum options comes up. So our minimum numbers, we can select it 0. All right. Then we can okay. Then again we go to the data tool. Circle invalid options comes up, as you can see that. Then we click on it. Those data comes under the negative amount who's come under the circle. So as you can see that here the minus $2 for $450 amounts are here. So these are the negatives amounts comes up, those come under the circle. Now these are the this type of errors comes in the particular data, so we can identify easily through the data validation concept. So as you can see that now this data not look like a proper way. Circles are present, so it look like a bad way. So we can remove it where I requirement for identify the negative error, identify the error. So we can apply the data validation concept. So we can remove it. So we can again go to the data tool group. Under data tool group, data validation commands are present. When we click on it, drop down arrow comes up. So here is the option is clear validation circle. So we can click it. The all circles goes out. So these are the concept and these are the requirement is necessary for all the organization where lots of data are present in the huge way. So we can apply this way and data validation, so very useful for us. And thank you so much for listening me. I hope you understand better way. Thank you.